Welcome to Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. On this channel, we talk about the insider secrets every home seller needs to know. In this video, the question is about staging, and Amy has a question. She wants to know how to stage your home on a dime. You know, some designers feel like every room needs a splash of yellow. It could be a vase of sunflowers, an accent wall, or maybe even some side chairs like these. Other designers like a bright electric blue color because that stands out in the photos. I sometimes add red throw pillows to make the photos pop and entice someone to visit the listing. So just adding colorful pillows on your white sofa or colorful painting in a neutral room, these bright colors tend to raise emotions and people want to come look at your photos, or I should say leave the photos and come to your house and look at that. And this is what we want. We don't want people to disqualify your house because it's a sea of boring beige. So just a single splash of bright color will help you stage your home on a dime. Staging helps bring attention to the architectural features of the home, and if there is no architectural interest, we can add it with texture, shine, color, and sometimes pattern, but lighting will probably make the biggest impact. This could be a single light fixture, or it could be ambient lighting. This can also be done on a dime. In all honesty, the average person feels like staging is an unnecessary expense, but in reality, staging builds perceived value, and that can increase your profits. Staging builds perceived value, which can increase your profits. Just imagine seeing this room as an empty room online. Would you feel the same emotionally by looking at an empty space as you do when you look at it staged? Be honest. So maybe you've never thought of staging as a way to increase the do-re-mi in your pocket, but here's the truth. Over 80% of staged homes will typically sell within 30 days, and it can bring a whopping 15 to 25% more to your bottom line. So yes, staging can make a huge difference when it comes to selling your home for more do-re-mi. And yes, you can do simple staging on a dime by adding these 5 things: color, lighting, texture, shine, and pattern. So that's your tip for today. Thank you for joining Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. My name is Remy, like Do Re Mi. I'm an award-winning designer, a best-selling author, and a top-producing real estate agent who's worked across 4 states. If you have a question for the team about mortgages, interest rates, the escrow processes, what repairs to do before selling your home and what not to do, staging, tips for selling your home quickly, or how to put more do-re-mi in your pocket when you sell your home, my team is standing by. Simply leave your question in the comments section or contact us through the email address below. We'll typically get you an answer within 24 hours or better. And we look forward to chatting with you soon.